Hi guys, so you received this FitBeast back roller for review purposes, and I think it's really nice. It comes with this travel package, like a sleeve, and I think it's great. Comes with some extras, okay. The user guide, okay, an exclusive plan, and some tutorial videos, okay. But this is basically the roller, okay. It's a round circular shape, and it has this space for your spine, so I'm gonna get down on the floor and roll my back. That's it. It's a really nice back roller. It's sturdy, and the quality of the materials are actually really nice, which is something nice. And I like that it has all these textures. It does add to the feel on your back. Okay, see ya.